Welcome to King Chimney Repair, your premier provider of specialized chimney and masonry services in Chester County and surrounding areas. With 10 years of experience, we are dedicated to enhancing your property with a comprehensive range of services, including chimney relining, stucco repair, chimney sweep, power washing, chase covers, caps, dampers, brick pointing services, fireplace surrounds, chimney demo and rebuild, pavers installation, masonry, refractory panel installation. Elevate the functionality and aesthetic of your home or business today. Contact us at 610-333-6914 for expert advice, or visit our website at onekingchimneyrepair.com for more details. Trust King Chimney Repair to provide dependable and high-quality service that meets your every need.